8 simple steps to troubleshoot sound issues on your MacBook. Check volume settings. Click on the control center icon. Ensure that the volume slider is not at the lowest level or muted. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart your MacBook. Select the Apple logo and click Restart. Confirm the action by clicking on Restart. Check hardware connections. If you're using headphones or external speakers, ensure they are correctly connected to your MacBook's audio port or via Bluetooth. Try disconnecting and reconnecting the audio cable or Bluetooth connection. If using Bluetooth devices, ensure they are charged and within the effective range of your MacBook. Test the sound again after ensuring all connections are secure. Check sound output settings. Go to the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Click on Sound. Navigate to the Output tab. Select your built-in speakers or headphones from the list of available output devices. Ensure the volume is turned up and try playing sound again. Reset non-volatile random access memory. Shut down your Mac. Press and hold the Command, Option, P and R keys on the keyboard. Press the power button to turn on your MacBook. Release the keys after you hear the startup sound twice. Check for software updates. Click the Apple logo and select System Settings. Go to General and click Software Update. Wait for your MacBook while it searches for updates. If an upgrade is available, click Update Now and restart Mac. Reset Core Audio. Open Terminal. In the Terminal window, enter sudo kill all core audio d. You may be prompted to enter your administrator password. Type it in, it won't show on the screen as you type, and press enter. After running the command, wait a moment, then check if the sound is working. Run Apple Diagnostics. Shut down your MacBook. Turn it on and press and hold the D key during startup. Follow on-screen instructions to run diagnostics and identify hardware issues. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer from malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.